Hey, it's Sammy on August 16th. We took 4 trades today for 3,870 pips. Some of these trades were breakouts, some were reversals, some were trends. So let's take a look at the data and see what trades we took. This was our first trade today that we sat down to take. As you can see on the top panel, we have 5 different time frames firing momentum, which means we're going to have a fast trade. If we look down in that middle panel, we can see we have 4 time frames in sentiment, so that means we're going to hit our target here. And we have 3 volatility breaks, means we're getting some big candles in this trade. Notice how big these candles are from 3 time frames of volatility. Volatility generates large candles. You can see we're hammering these shadow boxes, monthly pivots right below here. We're gonna go ahead and lock in 740 pips. This is our signature reversal soda trade. Basically at the low of day, which is that tracer down there where we exited our short trade, we're gonna go ahead now and take this trade long. This signature soda reversal trade is a mechanical trade that has a data-driven process to verify and validate your entry. As this trade pops, because we have a 5-minute volatility break, we're going to go ahead and move our stop loss to break even to protect the trade. Now you can see we're testing yesterday's high at this 100 Fibonacci level. We're going to go ahead and lock in 750 pips as we pop through this. This is our 3rd trade. We are only working with short time frame data here. Our 50 and 200 and 800 moving averages are collapsed on the minute chart, which means we're going to be taking a breakout trade. Breakout trades typically have a very low probability or a high risk factor. So we're only using short data. We're only going to take this back down to this Fibonacci and this monthly pivot level because it's not going to run that far. Of course, because it's risky, you can see we've already moved our stop loss to break even plus 25 as we pull away from our entry. As we come down to this monthly pivot level, we hit our take profit, 1,370 pips. This is our 4th and final trade of the day. This is actually a trend move now. We've got multiple time frames with pretty heavy momentum going long. We've got multiple time frames with sentiment to go long, and we got a volatility break. So we're pushing this blue tracer right here, which means we're pushing a new high of day as we come through yesterday's high. You see we're at that daily 100 Fibonacci level from yesterday. As we start pushing up with our volatility and our big candles here, we're going to go ahead and move our stop loss to break even plus 25 to protect the trade. Statistically speaking, we're hitting that median trade time and that median pip move, so we're going to go ahead and lock in 1,010 pips up here.